What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I swear you guys, I didn't just turn my light on, but I am still here in the location where the lights are practically off and I don't know what's going on. And for whatever reason, my light just turned on. So hey, maybe that's helping a little bit. I don't know, maybe I need to turn it off. But yeah, you guys, it's kind of dark in here. But look at these new scrunchies. Aren't they pretty? These are all velvet. I don't think I like the video with my light on, so I'm going to turn it off and be right back. Okay, that's a little bit better. These are still here. The Up and Dry scrunchies, you get 3 to a pack. We also have these Up and Dry hair bands. These are supposed to be for showering. What else do we have in here? Goody. The new pastel set. What else? The tie-dye satiny scrunchies. We have these ones. These are brand new this week. Let's see if I can get one off the little holder. Come on, there we go. These are definitely new. We also have it in blue. Brand new for the week. I mean, we might be operating on a generator in here, you guys. I really don't know. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Sweet as a peach. Aww. And then we have I Am Very Cute. Love the pink ones. We have pineapples. These are 2 packs.
No.
Okay, what else? Ooh, the Essie socks. These are so cute, and these are kids socks. 2 to a pack. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one. So cute. Look at this. The kitty. Aww. Okay, what else? This one. Aww. We have a lot of new socks this week. A lot. I love these though. I am very cute. Ooh, look you guys. Look. Talking about pretty. Look at this. It's a 3-piece manicure kit. We have a nail block, the clippers, the little scissors. We also have the matching iPads. Cute. Ooh, I think I need to get these. Like, these would be super cute stocking stuffers. I'm already thinking ahead. Stocking stuffers or birthday gifts. More new socks, you guys. More new socks. Look at these. Game over. We have dogs. We have sharks. Soccer balls. We have the toucans. If you're from Cali, you'll know what I'm about to say. This is a very Roscoe's inspired pair of socks, you guys. Chicken and waffles. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Roscoe's. I think chicken and waffles is actually a really good combo. Okay, anything else over here that's new? What's this? Let's Spa. This is a exfoliating bath cloth. Oh, this is like what you would find probably at every outdoor market like throughout the world. I want to get one of these. 2.5 times larger than a regular washcloth. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We have blue and we have pink. Yeah, I'm finding So many good things this week. So many good things. The question is, how many of these do I want to get? Maybe 2 of each. This hat is new this week also. This little hat. We also have black. We have pink and blue. These are like the trucker hats.
I don't know. I like Wally World, man, but Dollar Tree's awesome. This is one of the big name Dollar Tree. A big name Dollar Tree something.
So many dog treats. Mini chicken dipped rice sticks. And this week we have Kitten Caboodle, a couple different varieties, and we also have the 9 Lives treats, Ocean Medley flavor, and we have chicken and turkey. My cats are currently so in love. I know I've been talking about it lately, but yeah, you guys, my cats are currently so in love with the Temptations, one with the catnip in it. I think it's called like Catnip Medley or something like that. Let's see what we have back here in the clearance area. Phone cases, Easter decor.
Israel, to your register, please.
Excuse me. Now this location always has tons of books. My other 2 locations, they barely have any, but this location always has a lot. Antiques Wanted. Let's see if we have anything new. Ford Nation. When Memories Fade. They have all of the kids' books here. Denim Diaries, Broken Promises. Ooh, what's this? I thought it was a Dora book for a second, but no, it's not. But wait, this one is new. Spot the Difference book. These are really nice. These are not Dollar Tree brands. These are Nickelodeon, and they have the Shopkins one still here. And we have the Step Into Reading books that are here. You guys, I'm going to start the next video, so join me in my very next Dollar Tree video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.